Good evening, the Honorable Ms. Yusnita. As a factual reading lecture, we are from Group 4 with me, Maria Berisa Putri, as the moderator, and my friends consisting of Nuzulul Hikmah, Syadzilia Aluv, Suci, Setia, and Muhammad Anjas will present the results of our discussion regarding two explanation texts about end life cycle, how they live and die, and why is the sky blue. All right, friends, let's start right away with delivering the materials. The first one will be read by Nuzul. The time is yours.
Here, I will read the results of the discussion from our group. And the first one slide, there are image of both text. And this is N life cycle and Y in sky blue. In life cycle, how they live and D. The N life cycle, how they live and D text contains information about the stage of the N life cycle, its way of life, the type of adult, and its lifespan. And the next, why is the sky blue? This contains information about the process by which the sky appears blue to our eyes and the different colors of light waves in the sky. Next. Main idea paragraph and text and life cycle, how they live and be. Main idea, each paragraph of the text and life cycle, how they live and be consists of. The first one is N are one of the most diverse and dominant organisms of Earth, able to adapt to a variety of environment and life successfully. And the second, to give a general summary of the life cycle of ant, which is composed of 4 stages, namely egg, larva, pupa, and adult. And the third, information about the egg stage of ant and its importance in the development of ant. And the fourth, information about the ant larva stage, which is the shortest stage in the ant life cycle. And the 5, larvae are small and white, similar to ant eggs, and they grow rapidly during this stage, leading to their quick transition into the pupa stage. And the 6th pupa stage is the second longer in ant life cycle, and etc. And my idea of the text and life cycle is how they live, and D is the stage of the ant life cycle, how they live, the types of adult ants and their lifespan. I think enough. Thank you.
Thank you, Nuzul. Then will be read by Syadzilia. The time is yours.
Thank you, Maria. So I will read about main idea, paragraph, and text. Why is the sky blue? Main idea, each paragraph of the text, why is the sky blue, consists of, first, the questions that many people ask is why the sky is blue and why the sky is red at sunrise and sunset. Second, the question of why the sky is blue of all the colors of the rainbow. Third, the question is why the color of the sky is not green or yellow, whereas when we see a rainbow, we can see many kinds of colors. Fourth, information that the colors of the rainbow came from a white light that comes from the sunrise, which is then reflected by raindrops. 5. Information that light's energy also travels in waves, and the difference in the wavelength of this light causes the color of light to vary. 6. Information that the wavelength of visible light is very small in comparison to the wavelength of red light of 7 750 nanometers, while the thickness of a human hair is about 50,000 nanometers extra. Main idea of the text, why is the sky blue, is the process of how the sky can appear blue to our eyes and the various colors of light waves in the sky. Next. And then about the similarities and differences between and life cycle, how they live and die text, and why is the sky blue text genre. And life cycle is how they live text and die has an explanation text genre with a sequential explanation type. This is because this text tells the stage of the end life cycle. And then, why is the sky blue? Text has an explanation text genre with the theoretical explanation type. This is because this text details the possible phenomena behind a natural or created process that is not fully understood, such as an explanation of why the sky can be blue. Thank you.
Thank you, Syadzilia. Then will be read by Suci. The time is yours.
So I will show you the similarities and differences between on life cycle, how they live and die text, and why is the sky blue text in purpose. The purpose of the unlife cycle, how they live and die text, is to inform the readers about the stage of the unlife cycle, its way of life, the type of adult and its lifespan. And also the purpose of why is the sky blue text is to inform readers about the process by which the sky appears blue to our eyes and the cause of the appearance of various colors of light waves in the sky. Next, I also show you the similarities and differences between the two texts in the generic structure. The generic structure of unlife cycle, how they live and die texts are general statement, explanation, and conclusion. And also, the generic structure of why is the sky blue text are general statement, explanation, and conclusion.
Okay, thank you, Suci. And the last will be read by Muhammad Anjas. The time is yours.
Similarity and differences between and life cycle, how they live and die text, and why is the sky blue text, idea development, the structure of the text. The structure of the and life cycle, how they live and die text is chronological because it shows the order of the stage of the end life cycle. And the structure of the why is the sky blue text is cause and effect because it shows the reason why the sky is blue in our eye. Next, and similarities and differences between and life cycle, how they live and die text, and why it is sky blue text, languages, futures, and life cycle, how they live and die text. 1. Use of generalist, non-human participant, example, egg, larva. Number 2. Use of conjunction, showing time sequence. For example, first, last, 6 to 12 day, 9 to 30 days. Number 3, use of present tense. Number 4, use of action verb. For example, cleaning, moving, laying. And for the why is the sky blue text, number 1 is use of generalized non-human participant. For example, sky, blue, rainbow. And use of present tense. That's all from me. I return to the moderator.
Okay, I think it's enough. That was the discussion in group 4. As the moderator, I apologize for the mistakes during the delivery process. I hope it will benefit. And thank you.